Hello everyone, this is Kaushal here. I have created this video to explain this hidden feature of Tile which can be used for multiple use cases. I'm not sure if many of you are aware actually you can use Tile to create dynamic slides and dynamic video. Big shout to founder June who patiently listened to me today and answered all my questions and helped me understand how I and perhaps others can use this feature to create dynamic slides. I have taken this video. I promised him I will be making a video which will be helpful to others as well. So without further ado, let me start off with how you can actually use Tile to create dynamic videos. So we are taking a simple use case wherein we will be adding a famous quotes and author name and creating a dynamic slide which will have different quotes and different authors. So for this video or the slides, what we'll be doing is basically having 5 slides with 5 different quotes and 5 different author names will be displayed. So you will be starting off with a base template over here. I have selected the Tile, the template which I am comfortable of with for this video. So I'm using this template with the box which is SS and the color is what I require. I placed the logo on top. I have reduced the title scale because the quote what we'll be adding will be having few words, say 10-12 words over here, so we'll be reducing the scale size a bit. The author name can be as required because it would be just 2 or 3. So since we are going to on this use case I'm going to add actually 5 different quotes. What I will need to do is basically duplicate the slides so that there are 5 slides here. So I'll go back and actually create 5 slides. So you can see there are 5 slides which I have created over here, and we will be populating this quotes and authors using dynamic text which will be replaced at runtime, so we can have a dynamic slide and a video as a whole which will have everything. So the Tile has different URL parameters. June has actually published a slide presentation which actually goes way and beyond the different parameters you can go using. But for this case, for the title, the URL parameter what is used is T1, and for the content where the author would be placed is T2. So what you can understand is basically you will need to pass on the parameter to T1 and T2 with different text basically. Since we will be having multiple slides and multiple quotes, say here there are 5 quotes, so we have 5 slides. We will need T1 would be an array of 5 and T2 would be an array of 5. So once we have this 5 slides ready, what you will be doing is just click save button. So once you click the save button, you will have something like an ID of Tupcard ID which you need to make a note of. Once it is there, so the T1 you can see T1 of the way it will be referenced as T1 of 0 it would be quote 1, T2 of 0 would be author 1, and suppose if I want to add the another quote, it would be something like T1 of 1 would be quote 2 and T2 of 1 will be author 2. So something on this similar way, I have created a URL which is dynamic, and what I just need to do is just click and paste over here. So once I click paste over here, you can see it automatically fetches the text which I have added over here and the author name which I have added, and I have 5 different slides with 5 different text and 5 different author names. And if I go and preview it, I can see the different slides there in function. I'm keeping the background none so that you can actually visualize it. So you have 5 different slides now with the video and the author name, and that is how simple it is to actually create dynamic videos using Tile. You can the parameters except along with T1 and T2, there are parameters which you can pass to actually change the image URL and logo URL as well. So you can reference the URL parameter slide presentation that June has presented, and if someone can actually create some sort of a URL builder where person will be just needed to enter the number of slides that they want and the T1 and the T2 that they require, and probably even image URL and logo URL if you want to be all inclusive, and it throws out some sort of a URL with the card ID and everything, then nothing like it, and you can actually have you can create dynamic videos on the fly and export it and use it for your use cases, different use cases. So hope you like this video and hope you understand how powerful Tile is and use it for your marketing campaigns. Thank you.